Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews. Today, we're diving into something that might just become your favorite little home or office companion. This is the SEMSOIIO 2PCS Artificial Mini Succulent Set. And let me tell you, this is not just decor. This is what we're calling the best magic plant. So, what makes it magic? Let's start with first impressions. Right out of the box, you're greeted with two adorable faux succulents, carefully packed in a sturdy box with pearl cotton to ensure zero damage. Each plant is potted in a minimalist gray cement pot, sturdy, weighty, and surprisingly elegant. But the real charm? The quirky little hanging legs. It's like your plant has a personality, sitting, smiling, chilling on the edge of your shelf or desk, adding a dash of joy to your surroundings. Moving in closer, the succulents themselves are made of a high-quality PVC hand-feel glue. They look incredibly realistic with a soft touch that mimics real plant texture. The colors are vibrant yet natural, that deep green hue that brings life to any dull corner. And here's the kicker, there's absolutely zero maintenance. No sunlight, no water, no pruning. Just unbox, place, and enjoy the freshness all year long. Whether it's your home office, a bathroom shelf, kitchen corner, or even your work desk, these mini succulents fit effortlessly. The neutral tone of the pots and the playful design make them compatible with virtually any interior style, be it modern, rustic, boho, or minimalistic. And if you're the kind of person who wants that cozy aesthetic without the stress of plant care, this is your golden ticket. Now let's talk about the gift factor. Think birthdays, housewarmings, weddings, or festive holidays like Christmas or Thanksgiving. These are those gifts that everyone appreciates but rarely buys for themselves. They're thoughtful, cute, and guaranteed to spark a smile. And since you're getting two in a set, you can even split them up as individual gifts or keep one and share one. It's smart and stylish gifting. One small detail we love is the emotional lift these little planters bring. With their smiley expression and swinging legs, they don't just sit there, they bring an energy to your space. It's subtle but powerful, whether you're grinding through spreadsheets or sipping coffee on a lazy Sunday. There's something comforting about having this cheerful buddy on your shelf. And lastly, if you're worried about the quality or longevity, don't be. The cement pots are solid, not flimsy. The artificial succulents hold their shape and color with no fading over time. They're made to last and made to charm. So, if you're hunting for a quick decor upgrade or a gift that feels personal and fun, the SEMSOIIO Artificial Mini Succulent Set is a total win. No mess, no maintenance, just magic. That's why we're calling it the best magic plant. If you enjoyed this review and want more hands-on product breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique. See you in the next one.